So we have just arrived to do the first inspection of the boat we have just bought, and also to start the maintenance process. There is a lot of work to do, at least 4 to 5 days we need to come here. All right, here we are. This is Elli. Now let's do the inspection and look around. Ooh, what is here? Okay, that's the iconic spot that we are going to dedicate certain attention to. We actually don't need to put any epoxy on it, I think. So let's see. We have the rudder here, the engine.
I guess it's locked down.
Okay, let's do the inspection of this side. So we have some sort of shells here. Good. Then we need to do something with these spots, but that's not too bad. But actually, this means we need to put some primer here.
Yeah.
The biggest question of all is like how we paint underneath these things.
Yeah, it looks like there is quite a spot.
Somehow it looks worse this time. All right, so we have the ladder here, and we can go and explore what's inside. GB found a spare part of a boat.
It looks a bit damaged, you know?
To me, this is like back of a chair.
Yeah, quite so. Yeah.
And it's also wet.
Yeah, but it's right there, so not so wet.
Okay, I'm coming in, I think. Let's see what's up here. Oil. Oh, yeah, that must be some sort of motor oil, I think.
That's some motor oil, I think. Yeah, not motor oil. Oh, you think it's two-stroke engine oil. So.
That's good. Okay, welcome aboard. Okay, let's open this up.
It's gonna be funny if we can't open it. Maybe a lock from it. Okay.
You said there is no one.
Yeah, I mean, like not
Yay!
really fun. I just put it here.
Actually told me that we need to look in the bilge to make sure that, yeah, that's the bilge, that there is no damage in the structures. Oh, I don't see any damage in the structures.
How do you see it?
I think if you see that they're curved.
I see it.
Yeah, well, they're kind of curved, but not in a bad way. Not the best weather for sailing today. It's gonna start snowing any minute. This motorboat like there, and then I saw a boat like lying on its side. Maybe it was some sort of optimistiola or so. No. Well, I think we should be going. Here is our storage 38. Here we have this kind of varasto, and every boat has a locker. And now me and GB are gonna see what kind of craft we have bought. Exciting stuff. this is the end of the day one. Here's JB with his new red hair,
Oh yeah,
newly painted. This is myself, and
this is Elli.
this is Elli. Yes, we have just finished our day one program. We haven't done everything what we have planned, but well, we have sanded down the bits that were coming off. Then we also scraped all the seashells and everything that was not supposed to be there. We call it a day now. It's the opening of the season. Follow us for more updates about our journey.